Hello everyone, hope you're all doing good. So today we are here for grade 1 maths. The chapter today we discuss that is estimation, and the second chapter today that we discuss which is two-dimensional shapes. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudent.com. You have to log in by using their email and password that is provided by the administrator. I'm just going to check my mic and everything that is clear or not, okay? So here you go to the A plus website. There is grade 1. So view all chapters, click over there. Here are a lot of lessons, so we are interested with the estimation. Let's go with it. And here is the first lesson. Here you go, the A plus website. Estimate to the nearest 10. So look at here the first question. They are saying how many marbles are there? Estimate. Okay. So look at here the first question. They are saying how many marbles are there? So look at here. We are going to estimate these marbles. So how can we say that? Look at here, they are saying that there are more than two groups. Look at here, there are no two groups. This is a random, basically the marbles which is here. These are a lot of marbles and it's hard to basically count. So if it's more than 20 marbles, okay, so this is about like 60 marbles when you're going to count. Okay, like we are going to count and estimate. We are going to estimate at 20 marbles. Okay, it means that when you're going to count the first portion, okay, now here you go, the count the portion of this marble, then we check how many are left, and if the left portion is greater than the count one, so we can say that it's the like 30, it's 40, it's 50, like somehow. For example, I'm going to draw it here, a thing. For example, if these are the marbles that I'm going to put it here, some marbles, okay, and these are the random marbles. This is not about like the two portions, okay, this is a random one. Right here thing. Okay, so you count it like for example it's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Look, I'm going to count this portion, okay. Now check the remaining portion. If it's greater, then we can say that if it's 10, so this means that it is also it's about 10, okay. And if it's the greater one, like for example it's a lot here, like it's somehow like this way. Okay, so we can say that look, the remaining portion is greater as compared to the count portion, so we can say that it's not 10, it's about like 30, so we can say that 30 plus 10 is 40. All of it, it's 40. Okay, so which thing we are going to check? The thing which we check, that is, first of all we are going to only count the one portion of this, and then we check the remaining portion, then how many are left. If the left one is greater, so we can say that it's 30, it's 40, it's 50, and if the left one is same, so we can say that if it's 10, so this is also 10, and then we just add up all of it. Okay, Just like here, we are going to count at the one portion of this, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. We're only covered this portion here now. Okay. And then we check the left portion is greater. So it means that if it's 20, so that means it's 40, double of it. Okay. So how many marbles are there? Estimate. Now look at here. Again, the estimation marbles. So we can say that count it. Count only the one portion. Okay. So when we're going to count, so the count portion is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, look, the 10 one is only here. So it means that the remaining portion is the not double, it's the triple of that 10. So we can say that it's maybe 30. So 30 plus 1 is 40. Sometime we can say that it's 20. So 20 plus 10 is 30. Like here, let's do some of the, for example, if I'm going to draw it. Okay, like look, for example, when we're going to count, okay, the count one I just covered up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, like look, this portion I just count, so it means that it's 10. Look at the remaining portion. Is it equal? The remaining portion is equal? No, it's not equal. Is it same? No, it's not same. It's less than that? No, it's the greater. How much the greater? Like it's not equal, it's not less, it means that it's greater. So how much it's greater? It's means that it's not double that, it's the triple. So it's triple that 10. So it means that it's 30. So 30 plus 10, then we can say that in the end the answer is 40. Why? Because like look, 10 is again here, 10 is again here. So 10, 10, and 10, 30, and then this portion is already given. Okay. In this way, you are going to just estimate. All right. So here is the thing, that is the estimation. So you are just going to estimate the portions one by one, all of the portions. You are going to check it out, like how much the portion of first one, like if it's 10, then you can check the remaining, you can check the left one. Like if it's not equal, so it may be it's less or greater. If it's less, then you can put the number less than of that. But if it's greater, then you just can put the greater number of that. Okay, like it's 10, so the double 20, and if it's 20, then you can double, it's 30. All right, and then in the end you're going to add up all together. So let's do the next. So here is the basically lesson, that is the estimation to the nearest 10. Okay, let's do the next chapter. So the next chapter, which is here, two-dimensional shapes. So here we're going to start, and we are going to basically complete this chapter as well. There is only 3 lessons. The first lesson, which is name the two-dimensional shapes, count sides and vertices, and open and closed shapes. So let's start with the first one, name the two-dimensional shapes. So look at here the shapes. First of all, we are going to I'm going to draw some figures here, and then we write their name. Okay, look at here this first figure. This first figure is basically how many sides are there. First of all, you're gonna check. Okay, this basically figure has 3 sides. Okay, how many sides? Look, first length, second length, third length. How many vertices? Vertices mean you are at which point they meet, the meet lines. Okay, at which point the two lines meets with each other, so we can say that these are the vertices of this figure. Okay, So this figure is called the triangle. What's the name of this triangle? Okay, so basically, when we look that figure, that side, so sides are the straight line. Look, these are the straight line and make the shapes. Okay, and how many total sides are there? Three sides. So the correct answer is triangle. So what is this shape called? That is called a triangle. Okay, now let's do the next. Okay, what is this shape? Again, the triangle. All right, you basically remember. Look, this figure. This is the new one now. This figure is basically called if all the side lengths are equal. Look at here. How many sides are there? One, two, three, and four. How many sides are there? There are basically four sides. Okay, these are four sides, so we can say that this is called the square. The figure name is square. This figure name is triangle. Got it? This figure name is square. And how many sides of the squares? These are four sides. How many sides? Four sides. And how many vertices? One, two, three, and four. Why? How we can say that four? Because these two lines meets. Look, one line, this first line, and then the second line. This point is called the vertices at which the 2 points meet with each other. Okay, so this is called, the name of this figure is called square. All right. Okay, look at here, the round shape. If this is some round shape, so what is this called? The round shape is basically called the circle. Okay, this round shape is called your circle. All right, this is the round shape of this, so we can say that this is circle. Is that any vertices? No, because the circle, look at here, the circle at which point the meets, no points meet with each other, so we can say that this is only the circle. Okay, all right, then okay, the three figures which today we discuss, what is the first one? Look at here, the first one, that is a triangle. Okay, what is the first figure? That is a triangle. And how many sides of the triangle? There are three sides of the triangle and three vertices at which the 2 points meet with each other. Now move to the second. This is a square. Look at here for the square one. Square is basically four sides, and this is the shape of the square. And now the last one, that is a circle. Okay, so there are the three shapes. Now let's do the test. Now let's do some test questions and you guys tell me. Okay, okay, everyone tell me in the chat, what shape is this? Hurry up, it's circle or it's triangle? First you guys check and then tell me. Everyone tell me in the chat, what shape is this? Good, that is a triangle. Very well done, dear. Okay, let's do the next. What shape is this? Hurry up, everyone, tell me in the chat. So the shape of this one is the square. Okay, it's not circle. So we move with this option B. Then what shape is this? Is this circle or it's triangle? Hurry up, everyone, tell me in the chat. That is a circle. Okay. So the three shapes today we discuss only. The first one is the triangle, then square, and then circle. Okay. Now tell me the answer of this one. What shape is this? Triangle or circle? That is again triangle. Good. Okay, so look at here in this one. What shape is this? This is a round shape. Is it circle, square, or triangle? That is circle. Then what shape is this? It's a square or circle? It's square. Okay. All right. Hope you guys understand this lesson. So the three shapes that we discussed today, I'm going to repeat the questions again. I'm going to repeat the shapes again. Names of the shapes again. Look at here the first shape today we discussed, that is a triangle, and there are three sides of the triangle and three vertices. Okay, you guys also draw this on your notebooks. Okay, so the second one is the square, which have four sides. All right, and the third one is the circle. There are three shapes today we discuss: triangle, square, and circle. Understand? All right, now let's move to the next lesson. Count sides and vertices. First of all, let me tell you what is the meaning of vertices. So, vertices, look, vertices is basically like at which the two lines meet. Like, look, if this is the line, this is the next line. Okay, at which point they meet with each other? This point. All right, for example, let me just write it something else. This is the line, this is the line. So, look, there are two lines, one line, two line, and these meet at this point. There are two lines meet at this point. So we can say that these are called the vertices at which the two lines join with each other. Okay, so this is called your vertices. So look at here, how many sides does this shape have? Look at the sides. How many total sides are there? Let's draw the figure and then we check. Okay, first we draw it here, one line, then the two line, and then here the third line. So how many sides? This is, for example, side A, for example, side B, for example, side C. So how many total sides are there? 1, 2, and 3. So there are total 3 sides. Okay. How many total sides are there? 3 sides. And if we are talking about their meeting points, at which point they meet? Here is the 1 point, 2 point, and 3. So the 3 vertices. Okay, 3 sides and 3 vertices. All right, very well done, everyone. So let's see, there are 3 sides. So how many sides of this shape? You guys tell me now. Check the shape and then tell me, everyone. Tell me in the chat. Yes, everyone. Yes, everyone. Tell me in the chat. How many sides does have this shape? How many sides does this shape have? Check it out, everyone. Someone says 4. Is it right or wrong? It's 4 or it's 3? Very well done. It's 4. Okay, so there are basically 4 sides. When we count it, so it's 1. Let's draw it and then we'll see. Okay, look at here. It's one side, then it's second, it's 2, then it's 3, and then it's 4. All right, so the total are 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So triangle have 3 sides, square have 4 sides. Okay, basically triangle has 3 sides and the square has 4 sides. How many vertices? If I'm talking about the vertices of this shape, then you guys tell me how many vertices of this shape. 4 sides are clear, but how many vertices? Everyone think about it and then tell me. I already told you like what is the meaning of the vertices, so you guys tell me now. Okay, tell me, everyone. How many vertices of this shape? There are 4 sides, we already know, okay, because these are the 4 lines that draw with each other and then make a shape, okay. But how many vertices at which the 2 lines meet with each other? So check it out, how many the total vertices of this shape. Let's see. There are basically 4 vertices. Someone says there are 3 sides. No, it's not 3 sides. Check again, it's 4 sides, dear. There are 4 sides, okay? Let's count the vertices. Look at here, this one. 2 lines meet, okay? Here, 2 lines meets with each other. Look at here. And at this point as well. It's 1, 2, 3, and 4. So how many total? 4 vertices. Okay. So how many vertices does this shape have? Again, the same thing, 4 vertices. These are all 4, 4, and 4. Okay. Let's do the test questions. Okay, now everyone tell me in the chat, how many sides does this shape have? I'm talking about the sides now firstly. Tell me how many sides of this shape. does this shape have? It's three sides, then they are saying that four sides, then one sides, or five sides. There are four options. You guys check and then tell me the answer. Yes, everyone. Okay, three sides. One says it's three sides. Someone saying like it's three sides. Okay, option one, that is correct, which is right. Very well done. That is three sides. Okay. Okay, how many sides does this shape have? How many sides does this shape have? Again, talking about the sides, not vertices. Tell me, everyone. So there are. So there are basically four sides. Okay. Option B. So we go with it. All right. This is the right answer. Again, how many sides? We already know it. There are three sides. So here we go with this option. So how many sides does this shape have? This is a square. So the square have four sides. So we go with this four sides. Okay. Now tell me how many vertices does this shape have? Now you guys tell me the vertices. Three, four, one, or five? Option two. Okay, very good. It's three. Three vertices. Let's check. Yes, this is the correct answer. Very good. And how many vertices this shape have? It's one, two, three, and four. So this is four vertices. Let's go with it. Here is the right answer. Hope you guys understand this lesson. So you solve rest of the questions by yourself. Okay. Let's do the next lesson, which is the last lesson, that is open and closed shapes. Let's go with it. So look at here. First of all, we see first of all we check the shape. Okay. If you start and end at the same point, so we can say that your shape is closed. But if you start and end at different points, then we can say that your shape is open. Like how? For example, when we are going to start at this point and I'm going to make a circle. Okay. Then this is the circle, and then we end up the same point. Look. So this is our closed shape. But if we start at this point and make a circle and then end at here, at this point, so this is an open shape. That's it. Look at here. It's not closed. Understand the thing? Like, for example, draw some different shapes, the triangle. Okay, I'm going to draw a triangle now, starting at this point, this one, and this one. I'm not ending at this point. I just end up at here. So this is not closed, this is open. But if, for example, I'm going to start at this point and then end up at the same point, okay, like this, and this, oops, okay, start at this point, end at this point. So this is your closed shape. You understand? Okay, let's do some different shapes with it. For example, if I'm going to draw this shape and I'm going to say that, like, I am going to start at this point, then moving like this way, and this, and then end up at here. Is this closed or open? There are two different points, ending point and starting point. This is your starting point, this is your ending point. So these are different. So this is closed or open? This is open shape. Okay, this is not closed. All right, so this is somehow different. For example, I'm going to draw this shape and I'm saying that I'm going to start with this point, starting at this point, moving here, like move, and then like this way, and then ending at the same point. So this is closed. That is a closed shape. Got it? This is not open, that is a closed shape. You understand? But for example, like here, I'm going to say that starting at this point, this is my starting point. This is my starting point, and here I am just going to end up my ending point. Okay, so this is my starting point, this is my ending point. So these both are same. Check. Starting and ending point are same. No. So this is open shape. Now it become open shape. Understand? So here are some shapes, and now you tell me, is this open or closed? Look, starting and ending point is different. So when we trace the shape, we are going to check the start and ending point, starting and the ending point. So when you see the starting and the ending point, this is not same, so we can say that your shape is not closed, this is open shape. Okay, all right, look at this one. Starting and the ending point is same, because when we trace the shape, so the shape is closed. This one is again closed. Let's do some test questions, then you're more able to understand. Look at this shape. Is this shape open or closed? This is the shape, like here. Look, it start like this way, starting point at here, then it makes like this, this. I'm going to start at this point and end at this point. All right, I'm just moving at here like this way. Starting and ending point is same, so we can say that it's a closed shape. So here we go with it, closed. Okay, now you guys tell me the answer of this one. Is this shape open or closed? Everyone tell me in the chat. First check the figure and then tell me. So we can say that it's a closed shape. So here, so everyone tell me please, is this open or closed? First of all, what we see? We see the starting and the ending point. Starting and ending point is same. No, it's not same, it's different, because when we see the starting point and ending point, this is a different. So it means that it's open shape. Okay, so what's the option? Option A or option B? Option 1. Very well done everyone. Very good. So let's go with it. Let's do this one. Is this shape open or closed? Check their ending and the starting point and then tell me. This one is again open. It's not the same. Their starting and ending point is not same. Like look, for example, they are starting at here and then it's the shape this. So this is ending point. Starting point, ending point. So this is open shape. Okay, so we can say that it's open. This is right. So is this shape open or closed? Check this shape and then tell me, is this open or closed? Their starting and ending point is same or not? When we see, we check it out. This is the shape like this way. Okay, like it's somehow like this way. So look, its starting and ending point are meet. Starting and ending point are same. Like how it's same, like this way. When we are start, then this point, then we are also ending at this point. So this is closed. This is also closed. This is also closed. Okay. But when we see, like for example, we are starting at here, then draw the figure like this way, and then just, so this is the starting point, this is your ending point, this is not same, so we can say that it's a clear open. Okay, but here look, starting and ending points are same, so we can say that it's a closed shape. So here we go with it, closed. Now check this one. Check everyone this and then tell me what's the answer of this one. Yes, it's open or closed. Tell me answer in the chat please. This is open. Okay, it's not closed. So this is the open shape. It's clear open. Very good. So here it's open shape. All right. So we can say that it's the open. Let's go with it. So we go with it open. Check. Our answer is right. Is this shape open or closed? Check it out. The starting and the ending point is same, so we can say that it's a closed shape. All right. This is again open or closed. Now you guys tell me in the chat. Everyone tell me in the chat it's open or closed shape. Look at here. Their starting and ending point is same. This is not different. So we can say that it's a closed shape. Is this shape open or closed? Look at here. Start at this point and ending at this point. Their starting and ending point is not same. Okay, their starting and ending points are not same. So we can say that it's a open shape. Okay, so here it's open. So hope you guys understand this lesson. So solve the rest of the test questions by yourself. Okay, so today we discuss the two chapter. First one is the estimation and the second one is the two dimensional shapes. And lesson for the first one is estimate to the nearest tenth, and then for the lesson for this one is name two dimensional shapes. First of all, we're going to name the shapes only. There are three shapes only here, that is circle, square, and the triangle. Here it is. Look at here. This is the first chapter. It's all about like what is the triangle, what's the shape of the triangle, what's the shape of the square, and the shape of the circle. Then we discuss their vertices in the second lesson and how many their sides. Okay, vertices and the sides of that, we check it out how many lines meet with each other and then it's make their vertices. Like for example, if these two lines meet and then this is their meeting point, so we can say that this is vertices. And if like shape here for example, then the shape is this one. If your shape is this one, okay, then you guys tell me how many sides. It's one, two, three, four, five, and six. Six sides are there now. Okay. And then in the last lesson, we discuss how many open and what is the meaning of open and closed shape. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudent.com. You have to log in by using their email and the password that is provided by the administrator. You can contact tutors by using this by using this chat button. Okay, select your department. Is it math or language help? Then put your name and then just send. Okay. All right. Now you guys have a great day, you all. So practice all these lessons. Okay. Before starting the next session, you guys make sure practice all this lesson. And if you need any kind of help, then you can contact tutors by using this button. Okay. All right. Now you have a great day. Bye.